This is ಇದು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಾಗ್ಯಾಲೆ ಕ್ರಿಬ್ರಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬೋನ್, ಇದು ಬಾಜುಕ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬೋನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಥ್ಮಾಯ್ಡ್ ಬೋನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫೋರಾಮಿನ್ ಸೀಕಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್, ಏನೂ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 99% ಪೀಪಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಫೋರಾಮಿನ್ ಸೀಕಮ್. Foramen cecum, in 1% people there will be nasal emissary vein, might be content. Foramen cecum, it is of waste, nothing use. Then cribriform plate in the olfactory neurons or axons bರ್ತವೆ, olfactory nerve. Here again there is one foramen, here one, these two side ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿದೆ and posterior ಎರಡಿದಾವೆ. Anterior ethmoidal nerve, anterior ethmoidal sinus, foramen, posterior ethmoidal sinus, these two. Here the content of anterior ethmoidal sinus is foramen is nerve and artery of that name only. Anterior ethmoidal nerve, anterior ethmoidal artery, and posterior ethmoidal nerve, posterior ethmoidal artery are the contents of posterior ethmoidal foramen. Then illid mugit process della. This where I am marking no, this from here, this is lesser wing of sphenoid. Lesser wing. There is a greater wing also and lesser wing of sphenoid. Here it is lesser wing of sphenoid. It has anterior clinoid processes. And from here to here, this greater wing of sphenoid. This is greater wing of sphenoid and this is lesser wing of sphenoid. And here there is optic canal, that is for optic nerve. And here it crosses over, that is optic chiasm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. And here superior orbital fissure is there, here and here. Yes. Superior orbital fissure has 3, 4, 5, 6 cranial nerves. 3, 4, 5, 6 cranial nerves. And again it has 3, 4, 5, 6 is there, but 3 has again upper division and lower division. ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ superior orbital fissure ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. If I tell now, you will be confused. Contents are 3, 4, 5, 6. Just remember that. Again, no frontal nerve ಬರುತ್ತೆ, lacrimal nerve ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ usually that are the contents. And inferior ophthalmic vein, superior ophthalmic vein will be there. These are the contents. But how it is? This superior orbital fissure will be like this. One ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ. Here there is middle part, superior ಮತ್ತು inferior ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Here there will be semi-tendinous ring, common tendinous ring ಅಂತ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಲಿ all extraocular muscles originate from here. Common tendinous ring, that is middle part of superior orbital fissure. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6th nerve ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This only you remember this much, or else 3, 4, 5, 6 are the contents of superior orbital fissure. After superior orbital fissure, there is foramen rotundum. First here, this first these two, this one A or A. A ಇದು 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 these are foramen rotundum. Only one structure, that is maxillary nerve. Content maxillary nerve. Then foramen oval, it is like O. Foramen oval, there are contents of these also, that is male, M-A-L-E, short form is male, M-A-L-E. 4 ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಿಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ನರ್ವ್, ಎಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಿಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ನರ್ವ್, ಎ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸರಿ ಮೆನಿಂಜಲ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಎ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸರಿ ಮೆನಿಂಜಲ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೆಸರ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಸಲ್ ನರ್ವ್, ಲೆಸರ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಸಲ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಎಲ್, ಇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಮಿಸರಿ ವೇನ್. These words you might not be familiar now, as of now. ಯಾರು ಏನೂ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ನಂಗೆ ಬರಾತಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ಟು ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಿಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ನರ್ವ್, ಎಕ್ಸೆಸರಿ ಮೆನಿಂಜಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ಟರಿ, ದೆನ್ ಲೆಸರ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಸಲ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಮಿಸರಿ ವೇನ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರಾಮಿನ್ ಓವೆಲ್. ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫೋರಾಮಿನ್ ಸ್ಪೈನೋಸಮ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. ಫೋರಾಮಿನ್ ಓವೆಲ್ದು ಬೇಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್. Foramen spinosum, it has only 2 contents, that is middle meningeal artery and nerve to spinuses. This nerve to spinous in content ideyala, it is a branch of mandibular nerve. ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಿಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ನರ್ವ್ದು ಮೆನಿಂಜಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೌನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮೆನಿಂಜಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಿಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ nerve of spinosus. Nerve to spinosus ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. nerve to spinosus. Spinosum ka nerve to spinosus and middle meningeal artery are the content. If they go further, no, nerve to spinosus is the branch of mandibular nerve. Mandibular nerve. Nerve to spinosus, that is contained in middle meningeal artery. Foramen rotundum is maxillary artery, maxillary nerve. Foramen ovale is male. Mandibular nerve, accessory meningeal artery, lesser petrosal nerve and emissary. 4, and then foramen spinosum. Spinosum has only 2, middle meningeal artery and nerve to spinosus. Nerve to spinosus is a branch of mandibular nerve. Over. Then foramen lacerum. Here I will be telling like foramen lacerum has, it is a connection with carotid canal also. Carotid canal opens into foramen lacerum. So there will be structures which will be going through from up to down. It will be going only through the foramen lacerum. They are called as structures transversing through the foramen lacerum. Transversing means through. They are going through. Endu start alle irtade, endu allige agtade. Foramen lacerum. Through foramen lacerum they will be going. Those are only 2. That is emissary vein and one meningeal branch of ascending pharyngeal artery. ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
ಒನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೆನಿಂಜಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಏನಂತ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ವಿ? ಎಕ್ಸೆಸರಿ ಮೆನಿಂಜಲ್ ಆರ್ಟರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೆನಿಂಜಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರೆಂಜಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ಟರಿ. Meningeal branch of ascending pharyngeal artery and emissary vein. These are the structures which transverse. They will come, enter also and go down also through the foramen lacerum. That is emissary vein and meningeal branch of ascending pharyngeal artery. Meningeal branch of ascending pharyngeal artery is a direct branch from external carotid artery. If you can remember, or else no. External carotid artery give branch, that is meningeal branch of ascending pharyngeal artery. That goes through the foramen lacerum. Emissary vein and meningeal branch of ascending pharyngeal artery. These are structures transversing. Transversing means going through the foramen lacerum, and they are the contents of foramen lacerum which only come in. But where they go, we don't know. Or else they might come inside from this and might go somewhere else. कहाँ से तो आएगा पर कहाँ जाए, फोरामेन लाइफम को आएगा बट कहाँ जाएगा वो मालूम नहीं. और नहीं तो कहाँ से तो आ रहा है, तो कैरोटिड कैनल से आ रहा है. बट वो क्या होता है, फोरामेन लाइफम को कब आता है, मिडल पार्ट को आ जाता है. इट डजंट कम डायरेक्टली टू द फोरामेन लाइफम. देयर आर लाइक 3 स्ट्रक्चर्स लाइक दिस which are only contents. They are not transversing through. They are greater petrosal nerve, deep petrosal nerve and internal carotid artery. These are the contents of foramen lacerum. Because they are contents, because they come from anywhere else, but they go through the foramen lacerum. But emissary vein and meningeal branch of ascending pharyngeal artery, they go through the foramen. So they are the structures transversing through the foramen lacerum, and contents are greater petrosal nerve, deep petrosal nerve, not lesser. Lesser is in male, ovale. L ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು lesser petrosal. Greater petrosal nerve, lesser petrosal nerve, deep petrosal nerve, 3 ಬರ್ತವೆ. Here lesser petrosal ಬರಲ್ಲ. Here only great petrosal and deep petrosal nerve. And internal carotid artery that comes through the carotid canal and then joins the foramen lacerum. So it becomes content of foramen lacerum also. Internal carotid artery, greater petrosal nerve, deep petrosal nerve. This is of foramen lacerum, which is the base of or floor of cavernous sinus. And then this is petrous bone. ಇದೇನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ petrous bone. This full petrous bone. This full is petrous bone. In petrous bone there is internal auditory canal. Internal auditory canal carries 2 cranial nerves, that is 7th and 8th, facial nerve and vestibulocochlear nerve. These are big names. Just if you read twice, thrice, no, when you will be going to know, you will be getting to know, and it will be stored in your memory only. That is 7th nerve and 8th nerve, facial nerve and vestibulocochlear nerve. And there is also a labyrinthine vessels. Labyrinth means inner ear. This is connected to ear. No, ear ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಯರಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಯರ್ದು ಔಟರ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನರಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಂತ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನರ್ ಇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಂತ್. that wants vessels, no, so that is called as labyrinthine vessels. 7th cranial nerve, 8th cranial nerve and labyrinthine vessels through internal carotid auditory canal or internal acoustic meatus. Then jugular foramen. Jugular foramen, I had told. How is internal jugular vein formed? You guys forgot, I think so. Okay. Sigmoid sinus plus
inferior
petrosal sinus. Yeah. These are the contents of these also. Jugular, these two ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. And then it will be 9, 10, 11 nerves. Glossopharyngeal nerve, vagus nerve, and spinal accessory nerve. These are the content of jugular foramen. That is sigmoid sinus, inferior petrosal sinus, 9, 10, 11 nerves. These are all content of jugular foramen. And then comes here the inside, or else you can see from here inside illi hypoglossal canal here. That has 12 nerve content. And then foramen magnum, spinal cord. It is not the spinal cord content, it is medulla oblongata is the content. Medulla oblongata ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ಪೈನಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗೋದು. That is medulla oblongata is the content. And then vertebral artery, spinal arteries, anterior and posterior spinal arteries. Vertebral artery, spinal arteries, then medulla oblongata, and then there is apical ligament of Dens. You will get to know apical ligament of Dens, and then odontoid process in the baro ligaments. 3 ligaments ಬರ್ತವೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ. Just tentoria ligament ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು. Just don't remember them now. You'll getting to know that after that like blood supply, nerve supply ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ diagram. Just now remember vertebral arteries, spinal arteries, and medulla oblongata of contents of foramen magnum. This is cranial cavity. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೈನಸಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕ್ಯಾವರ್ನಸ್ ಸೈನಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಕ್ರೇನಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬೋನಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್